How to turn on or turn off SmartThings notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then in the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Now from here, we go down and then tap on connected devices. After that, go down, then tap on SmartThings. From here, tap on the menu button, then tap on the settings icon. After that, tap on notifications. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on SmartThings notifications. Here you can tap on the left hand side panel, and then in here you can customize how you get your notifications. So here you can choose your home, and then you can choose alerts only when you're in this location. Do not disturb, you can choose add schedule for SmartThings notifications. You can enable or disable always allow emergency alerts in SmartThings. And here you can choose notifications from Family Care or Samsung Find. And that's it. After, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.